I'm working on replacing my fridge filter, and the manual says to note the directions of the markings on the filter. This is a genuine LG filter, and there are no markings whatsoever on the filter. After talking to the agent on the LG support line, he said this water drop icon is the direction, where the sharp top is the direction towards the fridge. So basically, this is the in for the water source, and this is the out of the filter. This goes to the fridge. So again, the shape of the water drop indicates that the sharp top is the direction towards the fridge. Hope this helps, because I don't understand why there isn't a simple arrow pointing the direction.